Jump, Peter. Jump, Peter. Jump, Peter. All right. Ollie's walking in the life preserver. That's fun. Nathan's playing with a bottle. Oh, messy, Jessica. Jessica's handing back the ball. Here you go, baby. What are you doing there, Ollie? That looks really fun. Very fun for me. What are you doing, bud? Just walking with a life preserver. I don't know what I'm just saying. Oops. Don't fall, Jess. Ollie! Come back, baby. Oh, this is fun. Then you're gonna pick it up to turn around, huh? That's how the game works.